Well, well. Good day, everyone. Good morning, good evening, Chad. Welcome, lovely community. How is your day? How do you feel on Wednesday times? Greetings, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. We are ready. Hey. What a nice time to be alive, healthy, and focused. Touching bases on Nasdaq. 15-minute approach, guys. We have some great news from PPI in less than actually 5 minutes. There you go, guys. We have major news today in 5 minutes. Keep that in mind. Good evening. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video. Let's just go ahead and invite people. All the friends, neighbors, community members, traders, pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups. You guys want to do the same thing. Invite, invite, invite. We are live. And we do $125,000 prop firm giveaways today. 125 grand. As soon as we hit minimum 180 likes. Oh yeah. Still acting nicely, 200 points above the daily opening, guys, sitting on 143. There's numerous levels sitting below us that are meaningful. Weekly VWAP sitting on 210. Daily sitting around 278 for the moment. Yeah. So it's kind of hard to be bearish, guys. It's hard to be bearish. There's so many places where you can bounce. Just a few points from the all-time high on today's high. Impressive how they've run. 447 against 455. That's a big one. Good morning, good day, chat. Oh, yeah. We'll be trading our YRM accounts, Lucid accounts, Tap One Futures, and possibly Savius accounts, which by the way is running a big time discount, 65% off. Scrambo code and Savius for the majority accounts. That's a juicy one, right? Yesterday for YRM, we did qualify for payout. $3,000 payout on the 150,000 instant funded. Yeah. Oh yeah. Time to continue today. Continue trading. Good morning, good day. We're going to continue to perform. 3 minutes to go, guys. For the core PPI. That obviously stands for the change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. Yep. 2 minutes to go. Rat folder. Oh, the big boy Lucid accounts. Oh, yeah. There you go, guys. $395,000. Good afternoon. Good day, everyone. $395,000 built from 150. 245 P&L. We don't have losses in May. We are not going to do sell in May and go away. Come back another day. No. We're going to sit out here and have a good time around the profits. Remember guys, 1 minute to go for the PPI, red for the news. Chase everyone, we might get some volatility to pass accounts. We don't have evaluations right now. We're fully passed. Fully passed. 3 funded on YRM, instant funded. 5 on Lucid. Lucid Flex, 5 accounts on Lucid Flex, guys. Of 150,000, we're fully maxed out there. We have some instant funded on tap on futures, right? The instant fund at the end of the day. By the way, the elite daily accounts came back. No consistency on the funded stage. Daily payouts on tap on futures. The elite accounts came back. I got a video about it for those of you that are not familiar. Gotta focus on this one too. That's the link, guys. Scramble coupon code, highest discounts pretty much everywhere. A couple of seconds to go, guys, and we're getting started on the PPI. Oh yeah, look at that. Few seconds. 4, 3, 2. Ha ha ha. Oh! That was something. A 60 points drop. 60 points drop. Weekly opening about to be touched. Look at that one, guys. Ho ho. Testing out a little long here. %, guys. Oh my gosh. Way higher than expected. It was looking on the 0.3%. We're talking about 1%. And the month-to-month base is even bigger, 1.4%, guys. That's insane. That's insane. Watch out for the big numbers around month-to-month base on the PPI. Was expected around 0.5%, but the 1.4. Wow, that's a massive increase in the numbers. That's massive, guys. This is not looking too exciting. I'm going to cut it away. Yeah, I'll probably test out a little short here. Because daily VWAP 280 might be on board for the touch. Lovely. And we're going to say to take profit here. You can do news trading, guys. Oh yeah, come on, bring it down. The 50,000. I'm gonna look into Matty. Yeah. It is better. Probably it is better. Even the ratio between your max loss and the profit target of 50,000 is better. Yeah. It's a great ratio, guys, you have there. And daily payouts, ho ho ho, rise to the 50,000. Yeah, very interesting. Maximum 5 accounts. Yeah, it's a small difference between the daily loss limit. And you very likely start getting paid early. Let me check that out. I would have touched my 280 daily VWAP. Look at that, guys. Massive inflation numbers came out. Thank you. Yeah, 50,000 is very interesting. How to trade the evaluations. Well, now it's time to monetize for a pretty strong continuation. Look at that. The numbers are not enthusiastic. Massive 100 points down on the 5 minute. I'm testing a little long here. 3 minis. I like that 1 minute reaction. And there might be more for this. There might be more for this. You know, I'm just scalping. I'm out for the moment. Beautiful. Beautiful. We've secured some profit there. We're just down 275 on this YRM account. Yeah. We'll see. What does it mean to test? Positive, negative way. Good morning. Good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. I think they are going to take advantage, and they're taking advantage and accumulating. They've been running a bear market basically for the cryptos in the past 6 months. With the Nasdaq, S&P running big time, gold was running big time, right? So we've been doing all-time highs daily. And the cryptos were down 60-70%. Meanwhile, the market that the cryptos used to follow back to back was all-time high constantly. Should be a significant question to be responded. Why is it like that? Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Good day, guys. Good day. Thank you so much for joining. By the way, watching out here on difficult PPI momentum, way higher than expected on the inflation side. Way higher. What's the reason? What was the purpose? To decouple the crypto market from Nasdaq and the S&Ps. And of course, have a bear market in the mid of all-time high breakouts. Oh yeah. Breaking the cycles and changing the narrative for a reason. I don't think things are happening without having the capabilities to be part of a largely influenced cycle. The volume is in their hands, guys. Yeah. The volume is there. Just like we run the volume in our Lucid account, 245 buffer. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's gonna be heavy. Great. Looking at a daily wheel up 210. Could be a very interesting level for me, 210. Yeah. Good morning from USA. Great to have you onboarded. We're shorting, guys, here. We're shorting. I don't think we have a reversal without having... a proper structure. I don't know if they can take BTC back below 50 grand. It's, you know, 30,000 bucks retracement. Having a hard time with that. I don't know if we ever get it. I'm DCing a little here, and I'm shorting this one, guys. Come on. Make some money. Selling a few contracts here. I'm fully out for the moment. $1,105 profit. That was not hard at all, guys. Celebration time. There you go. That was not hard. Reshorting every green candle is not a big deal. Boom. The narrative is quite simple. Yeah. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Unbelievable, right? Well, you guys want to see how we did yesterday on the Nasdaq. So yesterday's high, 29,455. And low, 28,742, right? That's basically 700 points difference. 700 points difference. And the price action has been brought back to yesterday's high by 8 points. By 8 points, guys. Weekly, we are here around this level. Weekly. That's a beautiful reaction. Let me just open up my quant tower. I'd like to pass my evaluation. We only need to do, I posted about it on my Discord. We only need to do $45, guys. $45 to pass my last evaluation we have yet once again 5 funded of Lucid Flex. We've got 4. 3 of them are ready for the payout. One is extremely close for the max payout too. Congratulations, fellas. Gold funded. Heard about them, but I have not touched them for the moment. I don't think there's many traders in our community. Hit the like video, guys. Come on. And join the Discord. That's the place our trading community hangs around. Yeah. Good morning, good day. 1,105 profit. Weekly, we up. Weekly. It's the weekly. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. So we gotta do 40 bucks, guys. 40 bucks. Here. 40 bucks here, and we pass the evaluation. All the way up to 159.77. 159.77, guys. We're simply going with the momentum. Yes. We're simply going to fly with the momentum. I'm not going to trade the reverse of the trend. I'll try to stick with it. Lucky Joe. As soon as the next candle opens, I'm shorting. Right? So as soon as the next candle opens, I am shorting. One contract. A few more seconds to go. These are 1 minute candlesticks, guys. We're trading on Quantower Rhythmic Connection for Lucid Flex accounts. There you go. And I'm out. 76 bucks. There you go. That was it, guys. I told you. Oh yeah, there you go, guys. Celebration time. 76 bucks. We passed the evaluation. 150,000 Lucid Flex has been passed today. Boom. Watch out, the price action is ripping. And that's what it should do. There you go. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. $4 away? I think that's a joke, right? $4 away. Oh, yeah. You get that hit by having an automatic take profit in the New York opening. You can't lose $4 in the New York opening, whichever direction you go. Alright guys, so we pass another evaluation. $159.77 is what we need. Yeah, we've got more. Thank you so much, guys. Lucid Flex, no consistency, and target on the funded stage. I'm trading the 150,000 unlimited evals, max 5 funded. These ones are heavy. Hola. Good day, good morning. Make sure to join our Discord community. Oh yeah. This is the account I still want to trade to have a max payout. We need 120 bucks. For a max payout, we need 120 bucks. You know the max payout is 3,000 on the 150,000 Lucid Flex, right? It's 3,000 max payout. And in order to take out 3,000, you got to do 6,000. You can always do 50% of the profit you have. 50% of the profit you have. So for 3,000 to be worth 50%, it has to be 6,000. It's 155,882. We need 120 bucks here. The other account is having 156,518. And we got 5 days of trading for this one, so I'm not going to trade this anymore. This one has 384, and that might confuse you believing that Lucid Flex has 350k accounts. A challenge that we passed. Lucid Flex, that's the name of the challenge. No consistency on the funded stage. And no target, the best models. It was a challenge, we passed it. A 384. And this is 395. Ha ha ha. If we rip, I'm having a hard time around believing if we have the capability of ripping. But you see, markets get to be heavy. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Come on. I'm going to test out a little short here, 2 minis. Let's see what we get. Stop loss right there. Good. 527 down. Oh, look at that, guys. That's such a silly price action. I'm going to reshort. As soon as the new candle opens, I'm reshorting. Here we are. Oh yeah, we touched the take profit, 204 bucks. There you go, guys. Celebration. We touch above 156, guys. Max payout on the 4th account. The 4th account is ready for max payout. We only have one more to go, the one we passed today. That's the last one to go, guys, for the max payout. On Lucid, 5 accounts. Max payout is gonna be. Easy. Oh my gosh, Jake. Come on. We got the 4th account ready for the max payout. Mirabilandia. Chase, everyone. We got 4 accounts on max payout. Oh my gosh. Rest in peace. If I ever lose... Oh yeah. Especially here. This is where I lose a lot. You know, if we lose here 100 grand, the situation of the pound is not changing. Even 150, right? The situation of the pound is not changing. Unbelievable. Yeah. I'm gonna take max payouts on this account, 395. Max payouts as much as I can. Just going to trade this account next to the other funded ones. Good morning, good day, everyone. $3.95. A telephone number, $3.95. I don't want to cross the 400s because then people will believe Lucid has a $400,000 account. And all my performance is going to be vanished away, right? I got a 400k and I'm down 5,000 on this one exactly. Slowly but steadily for the payout, guys. Do not hurry up. Money has the same taste. Do not hurry up. Payouts are juicy. And it's good. It's fine. Yes. 3,000 times 5. Or times 6, I think. Times 6. 3,000 times 6. 18 grand. From 5 accounts, 18 grand is what I'm targeting. A regular day, guys. Regular day, having a great time. I never complain. Let me know when you hear me complaining. Let me know that day when you hear me not smiling, when you see me not smiling and complaining, guys. Let me know that day. Hey, Twister, great day, Fred. I don't know, but I wish they would allow me to stay more in the simulated world. Haha. Pull passer smash. Good evening, good day. Bot trading for Jake? Are you crazy? Haha. You guys want to see a day of 35,000 down and then coming back? I'm down for it, guys. If you give me a trade right now to be down $35,000, let me test along here, guys. 10 minis long here. Watch out, I'm running 10 minis long here. Oh yeah, already down $2,000. Oh my gosh, $3,000 down. What was that? I thought it was the start of something stronger. I'm longing the other account too. Right? We have the 2 big boy accounts. Rip it, guys. 200 points back. Trump is up. Had its typing. He's not gonna enjoy the scandal, guys. Nah. Look at that. He's gonna type. I think he's in China right now. He's not gonna enjoy this price action. He's typing, and this whole thing is running back. Oh yeah. What is he doing in China? What is he fixing? Haha. Oh, that's a lovely profit we already have. I could just close that 1,000 and sit out 2,000. Look at that. Watch out, everyone. It will go down 50,000 and then close about 400. Fixing. Teasing with a $400,000 account. Teasing. Cheap takeout. Come on, guys, rip it. Exactly. 99. You see, I'm already down. They should increase my trading limit, guys, from 10 minis. They should allow me 50. What would it like? 50 minis. I would do 50 minute, guys. I would do 50 minutes. What would it be? 50 minis, $1,000 per point. Right? Flat hour opening. Watch out for the aggressive candles. We're doing $200 per point, right? Right now. Times 5 on 50 minis, $1,000 per point. 100 points, $100,000. Down we go. This is Lucid, flex no consistency on the funded stage. Look at that. How this is going down on $22,000. Look at that, guys. 397. We're onboarded on the airplane to the moon. 398. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. 399, 39, close to 400. Close to 400. We're close to 400. I'm not cutting this. I'm not cutting this. Come on, guys. Rip it. Rip it. Close to 400. Do it. Oh, you saw it? It was 400. You saw that. It's 400. Look at that. I'm not getting out of this. Come on. Type something. I'm out of this here with a 400. 405. 405. There you go, guys. Celebration time. We touched $400,000 in the account from 150. Boom. The other one needs to be brought here. Such a shame. There is a it was no copy trading. That's why we have different values. This one has 390. Such a shame, right? Let's put a stop loss break even here and let it run. You know, my target is going to be something around 358, $23,000. Let's go, guys. Come on. That was a heavy one. Scramble for president. Of course they do pay to live as much as they want. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm running for president, guys. For the president of the prop firms. Are you guys going to support me? Tell me the reality. Tell me the truth behind your actions. Are you guys going to support me for the president of the prop firms? We should have an association of the prop firms where I can protect your interest. And I'm gonna claim oh yeah. You see, we're not doing copy trading. There is a difference in the accounts in terms of scramble for president. We gotta do some t-shirts, hats. What else we have to do, guys? Tell me. Upgrade to funded. Haha. You know when you get this message what happens, right? Lucid trading agreement, upgrade to funded. The account we passed today, I'm gonna smash on this one. I just have to accept the agreement. That's how quickly you get your evaluation converted into funded. Account upgrade successful. Ho, 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 ho. Oh. I like it. Yeah. Time to relax. Time to relax, guys. It kicked me out because we lost the connection because of the new account that's coming. But in the meantime, you can relax with our May performance. Or with the performance of May. It kicked me out because we got to upgrade our evil to funded. So we have to refresh Quant Tower. Yes, end of the day drawdown on YRM. What do you guys think about this dashboard? I mean, let's look into the other April. Let's show people the reality of the pain. Look at the April, guys. So how on earth can someone lose on the 7th and 8th? 3,300 and 36,800 on the 7th and 8th of April. Look at that one. That clearly is 40,000, right? So tell me, 40 grand lost in 2 days, 41,000 made in the next 2 days. Ha 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 ha. How do I handle the red day? Well, look at that. The very next day, I do the same value. That's how I handle it. 2 days representing 40 grand down. The other 2 days, the very next 2 days, 41,000 up. Are we ripping, guys? Oh, 10,000 bucks. Ha ha ha. $10,000 profit here. At least 300,000, at least. I'm gonna go for 500k. I think I'm gonna go for 500k. We're touching the weekly opening here, and we might get dirty about it. But you see, I'm gonna... Weekly opening, we're touching it, guys. 294. Yet I believe Trump is fixing the market in China, and I'm not going to be scared on that weekly opening that easily. Not scared. Trump is fixing the whole thing from China. Oh yeah. Not selling anything, guys. Why would I? We're in good hands. You don't see the bears anywhere since I got into it, right? The whole thing changed. You see, since I got into this strange, the whole picture changed to the markets. And you see that I'm not a market maker. Oh, there you go. Tell me which blockchain address do you want, basically, for the commission? Binance Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Tron, 10% commission. Oh yeah, 40 minis. I got 40 minis on Savius. See where I'm trading, Jerry. 40 minis on Savius, and it's a $300,000 account. I like to go max contracts, so 150,000 would be... I can sort it out for TRX for you. That's fine. What would I put on a 50k? Lucid Flex 50,000 or YRM 50,000 or Tap 1 futures, the daily payout. 50,000. Elite daily account, fellas. Tap 1 futures, elite daily account, 50,000. 300k, exactly. 40 minutes, 300k. The real juice. We're sitting around the daily VWAP here, so we shouldn't be scared about it. I'm not doing anything in my pants because of the resistance we got here. Lucid Trading funded account activation complete. You passed your evaluation. Your funded account is now active and ready to trade. Oh. I only have $4,500 buffer there. Imagine. I only have $4,500 buffer there, guys. Imagine, on the fresh account. What do I do with all that? $4,500 buffer. And this is the last one I have to take to 156. So we're taking max payout, baby. This is a risky situation. We might just... Watch out, me thinking about... I'm putting my trailing here, guys. I'm putting my trailing there. Just a few points away from the current price action. Watch out how you gotta be smarter than the market makers. If this is not laddering up from here, it's a problem. It has to ladder up, right? So we have to keep up the pressure. Otherwise, I'm out. It has to ladder up. It has to continue for the upside. If otherwise, I'm not holding this. It's too dangerous. Ladder up. I'm moving my trailing right below the wick. Oh, there you go. Ladder up, big boy. Come on. Ladder up. Ha ha ha. Thank you, guys. Have a good time. Enjoy. Smash the likes. What do we have here? 91 likes and 200 people watching. That's a big shame. Ladder up, guys. Ladder up. I'm selling 5 minis, so I'm selling 50% of the trade. I sold half of it. We're sitting on 5 minis. I like that, guys. I like that. You see, I haven't chickened out of this trade. And it's very hard for them to defeat me. It's very hard. But I'm running big time on the accounts. $400,000. Prop firm's getting terrified, right? Oh yeah. Trailing has not been touched there. Oh yeah, we touched the trailing. Not an issue for me. I don't mind it. I don't mind it, guys. 9,030 bucks celebration time. Let's go. We have 393. We gotta have another 7,000 in profit. Oh my gosh. This is a Lucid Flex funded of 150,000. 393. Rhythmic connection for Quant Tower. Sim funded. Activation complete. We have 5 accounts, 3,000 on each. 5 accounts, 3,000 on each. 15 grand each round. Every 5 days I can go 15 grand. Every 5 business days. Got into a long, guys. For my top 1 futures trade of 8, 12 minis. This is an instant funded end of the day drawdown. 12 minis long. Probably I'm gonna cut this away for the moment. Yeah, 2,255 profit. There you go. Celebration time. We're down on the balance here, a little bit down. That's right. And probably we made a little more than needed because of the consistency for this one. 9,000 is the target. 1,800 should be the most we should do. So I have to lose 455 bucks. Yeah, let's lose 455 bucks. Let's lose. I always do 10 minis. I don't have $4,500 drawdown. I don't have that. On 4,500 drawdown, I'm going to start trading today the fresh account. You will see I'm not going to do 10 minis. Here's the fresh account, fresh fund that we passed today, guys. Let's trade this one today. We're not gonna... Why is this thing... There you go. We're not gonna do 10 minis. Where first of all, you have a scaling plan. On your funded account, you cannot do max contracts from the beginning. You gotta reach a certain balance. Couple of grand. There is a scaling plan, right? Yeah. So we can only do 2 minis. 2 minis. The rejection is confirmed for a temporary outcome. Look at that. The rejection is confirmed, guys. Yes, let me drop you the Savius page, guys. First, you gotta sign up for Savius, and then you see the page and the offers. 65% off on Savius. 65% off. For the 25K, 50K, 100K, 65% off. One very thing you have to be very careful here is the daily loss limit, which is a hard breach, right? So you want to use a stop loss and do not touch the daily loss limit. Daily max drawdown, which is significant, but don't touch it. It's not a soft breach daily loss limit. You can transform that into a soft breach from a hard breach by putting a stop loss, right? That's no longer going to affect you. I don't understand the logic of the scaling plans. Traders are much more likely to blow up with max contracts. Why wouldn't they allow that? I think traders will certainly do that on max contracts. Will certainly do that. But at the same time, I think the more you have to trade, the harder it is. Right? So they are probably considering this. The more you have to trade, considering with 2 minis and the slow scaling model, you have to trade more to achieve your profits, right? So the more you have to trade, the more you lose in terms of number of times you have to be out there. The payout experience is very good with Savvies. It's paying in 24 hours. Yes, no problems with that. They're paying out on Rise. Everything is running smoothly, guys. Yeah. I mean, prop firms must have a max payout rule, unfortunately. They do need to have, otherwise they might risk not to be sufficiently productive. YRM takes long on the payouts, again, especially if your account is going under verification for your trading you applied, it takes a couple of days. Otherwise, it's about 4 to 5 days. But if you have a longer verification procedure, then it's different if your account is going to be flagged on YRM. You know, I'm testing out a short here for the brand new account, guys. 2 minis. No, 4 minis. 4 minis is the scaling, not 2. 4 minis for the 150,000. So 4 minis short. Oh yeah. What a silly reaction, guys. I'm cutting this. I'm out. 544 down. Oh, you haven't seen that. 544 down on the fresh funded account. Yes. That's right. $544 down. Market opens in 7 minutes. Can we get 2 red candlesticks in a row here? I was having a nice short earlier, and I had to close. Had to close out. Yeah, but if you have daily loss limits and if it's trailing, you have very small chances, right? Daily loss limits. I can't do this profits, and no one can do this profits if you have a daily loss limit. That's going tight about you. Let's see, 2 red candles in a row, guys. Let's see what we get. We're back in a short here. 4 minis. If they're running back up, this is a massive scam, guys. Massive scam. If they're running this back up. Massive. Yes. Intraday. Chances of new all-time high. Well. We have a 5-minute algo about to get triggered. 5 minutes till the US opens. We'll have a strong algo reaction. Markets driven by the algos. Wow, this is so bad. So bad. What a price action, guys. Unbelievable. Well, let me just wait a little here and see what's the outcome of the algo. Such a bad thing. Yeah, we touched 400,000. Yes, we touched 400K. Yes. Here's the account on 400K. 400. At $5 little and 50 cents. And then on the other one, the big boy, the other one, we have 393. We made 9 grand on that today. I'm gonna go and hunt for a... Yeah, let me just open up my trade here. Ten minis. Short. Oh my gosh. This is not letting me down. How much for Lucid? 400K, about $1,000. Oh yeah. The stop loss in is in my mind. Oh. Oh yeah. The stop loss is on my mind. Two more minutes and the market opens. Bring it down, big boy. Come on. How do I trade the openings? Price action. Price action with meaningful levels. In a risky way. But probably out of this account, we'll have to cut, right? This is not having much buffer for 4 minis on the opening. We'll have to cut. Come on. We'll have to cut. 30, 40 seconds. We'll have to cut. I've cut 50%. Yeah. I'm fully out here. I'll take that 528. Not an issue, guys. Very important. Very important not to stop loss break even here. Oh my gosh, look at that. We sold perfectly for the other. We have sold perfectly for the other guys. I like it a lot. And there you go. The opening bell is in 10 seconds and we have a short. You know, we got a stop loss break even. Best of luck, everyone. There you go. Let's find it out what's going to happen here. Quantower is completely dead. But we're making money, guys. Quantower is completely dead. Look at it on the right side. We're making money. 17, 18, 15. I'm out. 15,333. Look at that. Ha ha ha. We've made money on that short. 15 grand, 330. 399, 925. Look at that one, guys. 10 minutes short on the opening. Made us $6,000 here. Boom. Both accounts are very close. To 400k. Yes. Strategy is to get 5 to pay out. We got it short for our Trade-O-Vate account on Tap on Futures. We're making some money, guys. Lovely, right? 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 12 minutes short. I'm out here. How much did we make totally today? 11,750. Oh, yeah. 11,750, guys. That's just crazy stuff. Look at that. 11,750. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna test out some longs here. Oh yeah. I'm out. 1,000 and so. We have 12,700. I like that a lot. And have also longed it on my... I'm out here. 18,970. And we crossed the 400 grand. We have $403,000 on this one. Celebration time, guys. Oh my... Looks like a game, right? What is this, guys? What is this? Where are the losses? What's happening here, guys? What is this? 19 grand. Oh my gosh. Yes. Correct. Lucid+YRM is like the top one. Correct. But we enjoy Lucid a lot more. It's the #1 prop firm in the space, guys, Lucid. No consistency and target on Lucid Flex funded stage. So those accounts, Lucid Flex, no consistency and target on the funded stage. I'm going to be right back in 2 minutes. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it, Fred. Thank you, guys, so much. Yes, it has an all-in-one market. Yes. Back in 2 minutes. You can enjoy the profits in the meantime. Back in 2 minutes. $3,000. That's the cap. Oh my gosh. We crossed 400 grand. 400 grand has been crushed. Crushed. Crusty, crushed. Little chicken. Oh my gosh. What an opportunity here to relong this. Do I get an opportunity here, guys, to relong this? Oh. Is this an opportunity to relong it? We'll see, right? We'll see. I'm testing out 10 minis long here, guys. Watch out, everyone. I am testing 10 minis long. Haha, already 3,000 up. Oh my god. Oh yeah. That's just wild, right? Oh my god, look at that. Badger is not here today. Badger is not here, guys. He has an appointment. He's not here today. He has an appointment. He's not here. We are going to do the giveaways without Badger. Are we hunting for that daily opening 143? 143. I'm out here and buying lower. I accepted a partial loss. We're back at 400 grand. We'll be buying lower if that's the case, guys. The risk is there. Yes, you gotta do your form. Here's the form, guys. He's on the appointment. I'm testing a short, guys. 10 minutes short. No daily opening touch. Look at that. We don't touch the daily opening, guys. Looks like we're not. $10,000 down. This is running wild, right? I'm cutting this. But what a strong reaction we've got out of nowhere. The weekly VWAP rejected the bears and strongly reacted. I'd like to see what's happening in the next candle, guys. 10,000 down. I like this. Trust me, I like this. Trust me, I like this. I told you I like to see what's gonna happen in the next candle. And oh my gosh, what a freaking reaction. Just gotta be out here. This is terrible. 6,000 up. Bulls might be onto something. Bulls might be onto something. Exactly. It has the real-time market data. Yes. Exactly. Testing along here, 10 minis. Let's see. Risky. The next 5-minute candle, I'm very interested about the next 5-minute candle. I like to see that on the green side. Look at that. This is looking like a decent approach here, but the next 5-minute candle is very important. Wondering if we can push above 294, guys, today. Above 294 weekly opening. I don't think this is not going to be a W. Look at that. We have a very interesting possibility for the W to play out. W should actually give us, if the W plays out here, it gives us 350s. If that one plays out. What a rejection here. Nasty. Nasty. Nasty price action. Rejection. And it's taking me down. $143. Daily opening, 143. Look at that one. 143 daily opening. Watch out for the previous 5-minute candle we closed. How ugly was that? Ugly and miserable. From a very important, meaningful level. We got that supported, but as soon as the candle was about to close, they completely denied. We had a red day in May. Touching the daily opening around the corner. Let's see. Let's see if we can get something. It's the best way to blow up if you copy someone else. A 100 points in this 5-minute candle. 160 points, look at that. Wow. We've got D. We got the big numbers around. 36,000 down. This is not playing games, right? Oh yeah. Watch out how we're going to close near to the daily opening. Watch out on the 5-minute, guys. Relax, relax. Watch out how we're going to save this on the daily opening, this candle. It looks like saved to me. We pushed all the way back to the daily opening. Look at that. And look at those values. We were down 36 grand. Now we're down 20. Risky, guys, risky. We could still go back to 29,000. By the way this thing looks like, we could still go back to 29,000. Unfortunately, we've got rejected by the weekly opening significantly, and then it's just a non-stop selling pressure applied. Beautiful, guys. Relax. We're already above the daily opening. Come on. Give me 3 extra green candles of 5 minutes in a row. All the way back to 294. I'll take that all day long. 294. 3 extra green candles of 5 minutes in a row. On top of this one. Right, so the next 15 minutes. Make sure to like the video, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, everyone. We were down $36,000 here. Yeah. Numbers never lie. Numbers. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The account is about to go on positive P&L. We're only $3,000 in loss. Come on. I think it's impossible to argue against the P&L, right? Oh yeah. We were down 36,000. And I'm still holding around. Rip it. What about the next 5-minute candle? Watch out. This is looking juicy. It looks very good on the 5-minute. What about the next one? So we front run today's low, but we reacted on the daily opening significantly. Look at that one, guys. Oh my gosh, we're already on blue P&L. Green P&L, what is it? We're already sitting on green P&L, guys. I'm wondering about the next 5-minute candle. We have a VWAP around the 200s. I'm out of this. On profit. 4,500 profit. Oh my gosh. 4,500 profit. Let's take care about the other one. This is up 2,000. Let me get out of this one, guys, here. 1,145. This was down 36. You want to look into the live stream. This was down 36 grand. Unrealized. You want to see the replay, guys. You want to see the replay and then talk about bad. Gamble trading. You say gamble trading? You say gamble trading? Alright, guys. So let's have a look into our gamble trading. 12 AC says. So here we are. Here's the gamble trading. Oh. And watch out the way we're going to close today. Watch out. So this is for May. This is for April. And this is for March. Wow. Perfectly got out. Perfectly. And then you want to see the other account, right? Not a worry. Here's the other account that's big boy. Oh my gosh. Exactly. Called it out. I need a 35,000 loss, then turn green, Maddie. Exactly. I called it out. So look at that. This is the other account. Look at this one. 2nd of April. 35. I also have stop losses, guys. 2nd of April, 35,000. 8th of April, 22,000. I also use stop losses. But I don't use stop losses based on the value. I use stop losses based on the technicals. And then March, 0 losses in March. Look at that. How dare making this amount of money in a week in a pretty fresh account. 15 plus 7 is 22. Plus another 10, 32. Plus 18, 50 grand. Plus 23, 73,000. 73,000 on a fresh account in a week. Look at that. Pause and do the math. Hola, chicos. All the way back to daily opening and then bouncing 143. What do you guys think about? 143. Look at that. Not selling anything. It's all for free here on the live stream. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Chase, everyone. We pulled out the rabbit. But we actually pulled out of the rabbit hole. Oh, so you guys are running this. And I'm not in a long. Daily opening 143. You didn't want to touch that and you're running this. I told you. I don't think we don't go below 294 weekly opening. I told you. I don't think. This one. Look at that. Weekly opening 294. Trump is typing soon. And we're ripping. He's promising some of the things again. Till he sees everything green. That's the main point, right? He's in China, but I think he has a good connection from there as well. Posting on Truth. Oh. Exactly. From 150 to 400. So do we get that daily opening 143, guys? Tell me. 143. Hmm. We touched the daily opening 143. I got in my long 10 minis. We're already $6,000, guys. Air Force Scramble 6,000 up in 30 seconds, and you tell me this is a game. In 30 seconds, 6,000 from a level I told you, 143 daily opening right there. You should have closed that out. I'm not closing because I'm going for bigger targets, but that's the name of the game. Air Force One scrambles in fire. Look at that. Keep it strong, Cabrera. Keep it strong. 6,000 in matter of a few seconds. Good day. Good to have you on board. I'm relonging this from the other account too. You know I'm going aggressive about it. We're doing the giveaway soon. Everyone make sure to like the video, be subscribed. I haven't got my last payout. Yesterday we qualified. I think the range is about 5 to 6 days right now. You don't need 250 buffer, look at that. Why would you need 250 buffer? $250 buffer, and it's just printing. Look at that. It's already 5,000 again. And the other trade is going well as well. So they only retested for me to have another entry. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. For cash, I only do swing trading, long-term investments. There's no need to bother with day trading on personal resources. Oh, they're pressing me here, guys. But no, that was just a little touch and we're ripping. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. I like this performance, having 150 grand account to 400. Maybe we can do 500 by the end of the month. You guys tell me. Can we do 500 by the end of the month? I don't think so. But you guys will tell me if we can do 500,000 till the end of the month. Oh yeah. Yes. I would apply. We're 250k, you say you can do it without even looking at the charts? So the problem is the buffer, guys. That's the conclusion here. The problem is the buffer, not the guy who created the buffer. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of good money. Max payouts. I'm getting max payouts. You like the entry at the bottom of the wick. The entries that I have are not because of the buffer. Oh my gosh. Oh, we should have been already trading around 300s with this one. But you see the market makers are watching me. I had a lovely entry. And they're not letting it run. We should have been touching the weekly opening 294 already. We don't get to see that. And watch out how we can close this out on 20 grand profit. Watch out, everyone. Yeah. Might be retesting this level again and then rejecting. Let's see, guys. Look at that. Might be drop again. Might be going big time down. Again, the buffer is the problem. Look at that. Rip it, guys. Lovely rejection. Rip it. Stop playing games here and rip it. A lovely rejection. Come on. Give me another rejection here in the 1 minute, guys. You can do that. I don't want to sweep that Asia low. My buffer is going to be in danger with that. We got a buffer here for 1,000 points. Oh my gosh. Lucid, no consistency on the target stage. On the funded stage. Exactly. Oh my gosh. Let's go, guys. We're turning green. Asia low. Down the road. 0.55. Down the road 0.55. But first, they want to produce a nice little green candle. Some nice little profits. 0.55. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. 6,000. $250,000 static account. 10 minis. Come on, guys, rip it. To the moon. They said it's not possible. They said we're not going to get to 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. And here we are. Oh my gosh. What a silly rejection they did on me on that 1 minute earlier. But watch out for the scammy moment. Against... Oh my gosh. And no net. Yeah, but depends. You see, trading is very difficult, guys. And you feel it. You've seen how hard it is to build a buffer. And the bigger account you have, the bigger losses you get. You know that, right? The bigger accounts we have, the bigger losses we get. So it doesn't mean it's easier. This is not unlimited buffer. It's running on big boy green PNL once again. Do not dare to reject me. Make sure to like the video, fellas. We're playing tennis here against the Bulls. That daily opening, holding around. Look at that, guys. But the wicks are appearing from the upside. I don't like that. Yeah, it could be nicely fake and faked out. Few more minutes and we start with the giveaways. Few more minutes. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. You don't like it and you're long? I don't believe you say that. When I'm sitting in long 10 minutes, exposing myself here on the stream, you say you don't like it, you're long, and we're making big money, 8,000. As soon as you said you don't like it, you're long, the market is ripping. Wicks. Lack of acceptance, refusal. But they can only have a temporary meaningness. So they might have a false message, which is something that happens most of the time. Come on, guys, rip it. This should not stop here. We have a supply here in the 1 minute, but we shouldn't stop here unless the whole thing is so rigged. Lucid Flex account, exactly. Lucy's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Come on, guys. This should not. Lucid Flex, no consistency and target. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Rip it, guys. Rip it. Giveaway starts soon. Look at the gambling performance, guys. This is one of a heavy gambling performance for March. For April, another gambling performance. For May, another gambling performance. Oh yeah. I've not been scared to go break even here, I told you. We're not playing games, we're not going break even unless we gotta do it. Look at that, and we have not been going break even, because if I would, this thing would have kicked me out. Right? Tell me. If I would have gone break even, guys, I would have been kicked out. There you go. There you go, guys, look at that. You know, 250 buffer is not an easy story to be built. Straight up. But now, I might have to go break even on this. Because a such rejection could take me below the Asia opening. I'm going break even on both. right? So we're going break even right now because the price action becomes risky if the breakout is not happening here, guys. I don't like daily losses. There's no way I can make this money with daily loss conditions. And trailings as well. Trailings too. But look at that, guys. Look at that. I mean, this is certainly not looking bad for the 5 minute. We just need a bit of an impulse here. Yeah. We got break even in both accounts. Little profits. I'm moving my trailing right at the bottom of this wick. There you go, 3,275. That's it, guys. Celebration time. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. Celebration time. Boom. Oh, yeah. And the other one is 4,895, touching $400,000 balance. Yeah. Yeah. So look at that one, guys. This is heavy. This is heavy on me. 13th of May. $400,000. In 39 trading days. 39 trading days. Do the math. 250,000 divided to 39. An average of $6,410 per day. 250 grand profit in 39 days, an average of $6,410 per day. Lucid funded. Slayer would start with Hispanics. Oh my gosh. We're having the giveaway soon, guys. And now it's about to run. Greatness. Yes. You can have 5 accounts copy trading. We've been in a freaking long here. But I did trailings. And now we're missing out on big profits. Look at that. Not bad, right? Not bad, Jake. Look at that. Here you got his stats. We touched the wave up. Should have been in my long, right? Exactly. Not bad. Totally not bad. Lovely. So they kicked me out of this trade. And now it's running. But I'm gonna do something else. I'm opening my ducks. So I need the ducks. I need the will. I need Firmalo. And that's pretty much it, right? Oh, look at that. What a lovely movement. They kicked me out, and then it's running like this. Yeah, ask ChatGPT if it's fake. Exactly. 2 accounts like that, not copy trading, guys. I'm not copy trading. We have different performances. In there's 2 accounts. I have a day of 35 grand loss in one, and the other day is positive. Think about it. Go for it, Samuel. Go for it big time. Time to do the dock races. Let's go, likes. 200 likes out there. Thank you so much. Time for the dock races. So we're doing giveaways every day, guys. Chilling out, trading, doing giveaways. Look at that. If you've been trading my entries without the trailings I had, because I was chickening out. When you have 250 buffer, you gotta chicken out as well, because you have to trade correctly. Right? You gotta trade correctly. And I did my trade correctly. That doesn't mean you gotta make profits. But then look at that. We would have been at this point, 60 points in 10 minutes. Do the math. Allora. Allora. Still with your long. 10% commission on that. You have long because of me, and you didn't go out because of me. 10% commission, TRX, address USDC. Alright guys, so what do we need? Look at that. I told you 294. I told you today 294. And we've been longing this thing. I'm gonna get so tilted by this. Freaking trailing. Unbelievable. Silly trailing, guys. Silly trailing. 20 minis out there in the market. But then trailing comes. Unbelievable. Oh. It's Jonathan, it's going good. The only thing that's missing is the buffer. That's the only thing that's missing from him, the buffer. Because he was not quick enough to grab the 400,000 account when Lucid had it. I was quick enough, guys. Lucid for 10 seconds had available on their website a 400 grand account. And I was able to get it. But there's a lot of the people that didn't knew about it. So 250 grand sitting on the right side. On the right side, attention. So where are we? Birthday, congratulations. No, it was never a 400k account. It's a joke. It's a joke. Happy birthday, buddy. What do we do here? We do the giveaway, guys. So, let me give you Elite Daily. Tap 1 Futures Elite Daily with daily payouts, 25,000 bucks. Attention, please. $25,000 Elite Daily accounts on daily payouts for Tap 1 Futures is what we're giving out in the first giveaway. Turning 22. I'm going to have the number 2. So think about Elite Daily. Daily payouts for you guys. Daily payouts. So, only one guess per person, but let's just break down how do you join. Make sure to fill up the form. Break it down. Complete the form, guys. Like the video. Come on, like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And join my Discord. These are the 4 things you gotta do to participate in the giveaway. Daily payouts. Once you become funded and you cross the buffer, you have daily payouts above the buffer. The buffer is 6% basically. Only a single number per person, guys. Do not play dirty games with me. Watch out. Between 0 and 7. Between 0 and 7, let me know your best choice. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 7. Come on, guys. Let's go. Badger is not here. Scramble is going to take care about the whole infrastructure today. We got the paddle. We got a controller. And we got the buffer. You can't fight that, guys. You can't fight the buffer here. Elite Daily accounts. Come on, guys. Come on. We got the nurses. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Game over. Game over. Oh yeah, game over. David. What's wrong with you, David? Game over. Shuffle. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. We got a spin. This is the first giveaway. Number 2 is not going to be... Could be the number 3, guys. Could be the number 3. Depends on my pedal, right? If I press this one with the left foot, it's number 3. Look at that. I'm pressing it, guys. Come on, just a little more. Here you go. Number 3. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you with number 3. Oh, yeah. Congratulations for the winners. We're going to find it out. Who's going to be out here on the list? Congratulations. I'm taking the list right now. Oh yeah. 30 fellas out there competing for 30 seconds. 30 fellas for 30 seconds. First ranked is going to receive the account. First ranked. This is the first giveaway, guys. Remember, we have 2 more. Few more seconds out here, so the first ranked is going to receive Acer. Acer Cell leading. Oh yeah. Congratulations, Acer Cell. Purple Ninja Fact on the second. Oh, Acer Cell, did you fill up the form, buddy? Did you fill up the form? We're gonna find it out. No, we're gonna find it out right now. Acer, are you here? Acer Cell, yes. Yes, congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. $25,000 elite daily account with daily payouts from Tap1Futures goes out to your pockets. You can see your name because there's 30 ducks. And you only see the top 10 here. And so far. But you are on the list. So, watch out, fellas. We're going to have some wild numbers coming through. You got to watch out for sure. That's going to be heavy, what we're going to play right now. So we're going to do 50,000 Lucid Flex, guys, for the second giveaway. Can you hear me? 50,000 Lucid Flex. Can you guys handle that? Let's go, guys. Come on. 50,000 Lucid Flex. We've distributed the accounts for the winners. So, can you guys handle that? There's going to be multiple entries, but just a few numbers. Multiple entries and just a few numbers. Remember that one. Get ready, guys. So we're going to have a 00, a single number with 2, a 777, and 88. And that's it, guys. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Start right now. Let's go, guys. 00, a single number 2, 777, 88. Oh my gosh, come on, guys. Everyone is going with 7 for sure. Jake is the only one with a number 2, right? Come on, Jake. Let's do it. Let's go for it, Jake. Do not underestimate the 20% chance, or maybe less, that you got. Do not underestimate that one, Jake. Do not underestimate. Oh yeah. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. We're gonna test it out, Jake, soon. We're gonna test it out soon. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over, guys. It's over. It's over. Shuffle. We're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Oh my gosh. 270s on the Nasdaq. What a beauty. Could be the blue number 2, guys. I'm telling you, that could be the blue number 2. If the paddle works, I'm going to take you to blue number 2, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Don't tell me it's not rigged. Look at that. Do not dare telling me it's not rigged. Oh my gosh. Do not tell me it's not rigged. Number 2 for the winners. Oh. That's crazy, guys. Unbelievable. You don't believe that, right? You don't freaking believe this is rigged? Someone is still questioning if this is a scam, but... Oh, but there's many winners out there, guys. Jake is not the only one. There's quite a few winners out here. 26 winners, 30 seconds competition time, and guess what? The second ranked is going to win. The second ranked. Attention, guys. Second ranked. Second ranked wins. Not the first. Second ranked. Who's gonna take this? Teo. Teo. Oh yeah, Teo. There you go. Congratulations, Teo. Beautiful. Jake is not even top 10. Teo. Congratulations for this one. 50,000 Lucid Flex goes out to your pocket. But not to your pocket because you're the winner. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Marco Preto. I said the second one, guys. Oh, you started celebrating already. Teo, did you start celebrating on that one? Marco Preto, Italian of 12 AC. No way. I said the second is gonna win, guys. I told you the second rank, not the first ranked. Yes, the second. Marco Preto. Unbelievable, guys. What a scam, right? What a scam. Did you fill up the form? Marco. Yes, fully confirmed. Congratulations on that one. Congratulations. Congratulations on that one. Pretty good job. Pretty good job surviving through the emotions. Time to go, guys, for the third giveaway. Third giveaway is going to be heavy. And we gotta be heavy on this one, guys. Just watch out. Watch out. We're gonna do 50,000 YRM. 50,000 YRM. Oh my gosh. So watch out. 50,000 YRM, and we're doing. We're only going to have 3 different numbers, but there's going to be a lot of the entries. So watch out, guys. Watch out. We're going to have a single 0, a single number 2, and 27s. Single 0, single number 2, and 27s. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Single 0, single number 2, and 27. There you go, guys. Keep it running. Come on. Keep it straight up. Straight up cash. Who's going for number 2? Stefan Rudin. Possibly Jake, but I think he's going to give up on his number 2. Jake. Are you... Did you just... guess number 7, Jake? Did you? I'm gonna expose you if you go with a different number. I'm gonna expose you if you're not going with number 2. I'm gonna expose you if you're not. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. Run. Run. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. You want to stop right there. Alright guys, so we're going to have a bonus here, plus one more 50k. YRM. How many bonuses do you want? Tell me quickly. The last number I see. The last number is Arnavraj with 7 guesses. So I'll put you 7 bonuses, guys. 7 bonuses. This way. Best of luck, everyone. We got 7 bonuses. But keep in mind, you gotta protect your bonuses. So it's not just winning the bonus if you are missing the chance to secure it. Right? I'm putting the bonus in your hands, but if you don't take that and you're missing, falls between your fingers. Number 2 is not here. But that could be the blue bonus, guys. Could be the blue bonus. And that's going to be big pressure for me. I got to press the pedal here for the red. Let's go, guys, for the red 7. Come on. Let's go for the red 7. There you go. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Survived this one. Yes, you win the Lucid. You were second. Congratulations, Marco Preto. Marco Preto. 7 for the winners. Easy, right? Easy peasy, guys. 7 for the winners. Like, we're gonna have like 300 people here. $7 for the winners. I'm sorry for Jake and his fan base. I'm sorry to hear that. Hoping for a bonus to give us another chance, right? So how many? Let's see. Probably about 200. Wow. The list is insane, guys. The list is insane. You're not going to believe this. The list is 138. Not much, right? 138. You guys will only compete for a minute. But watch out how we're going to do this. You can start right there. Beautiful. The question is, who's going to qualify second round? Because we have 2 rounds. I did saw your message. Oh, you want to do a rerun? With a Lucid? You want to do a rerun? You want to give your account away, Marco Preto? You want to give your account away, you say? Attention, please. Second ranked plus 4th plus 6th will qualify. Second ranked, 4th, and the 6th will qualify. So Marco Preto is donating his account. Attention, everyone. Marco Preto is donating his Lucid account. Everyone say congratulations and thank you to Marco Preto. We're going to do another giveaway with a Lucid. Who's going to qualify here? 2nd, 4th, and 6th. Trading game. Unfortunately, you came out to be 1st. It's not the best deal. Ivan, 2nd. X-Trader, 3rd, unfortunately. Oh, yeah. Look at that one, guys. The 2nd, I told you, the 2nd, the 4th, and the 6th. 2nd, 4th, and 6th. Remember, we have one more giveaway with a Lucid that was donated by Marco Preto. So, Ivan, did you fill up? Yes. Congratulations, Ivan. X-Trader. X-Trader, are you here? Yes, X-Trader is here. Right, 1st, 3rd, and then the 6th I said. Did I say the 6th? Let me verify. Where's my message? No, 2nd, 4th, Fourth is Shohoi Crypto. It's not X-Trader, I'm sorry. Shohoi Crypto is here. I'm sorry, X-Trader. It was just a joke. And then Cristofani. Cristofani from the 6. KRZ. Congratulations. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. 2nd, 4th, and 6th. That's right. 30 seconds competition time. Last ranked is going to receive the account. The last ranked, attention please. We're gonna add Donovan on the list. Sure, Marco Preto, sure. The last one is gonna win, guys. Attention please. The last one. Giselle, unfortunately. The last one is gonna win. Oh, look at that one, guys. The last one is Ivan. Ivan is the last one. Congratulations for Ivan. Ivan, you are the winner. Here we are, guys. Ivan. I think it's the real guy, right? A community that rewards laziness. There you go, the last guy is winning. Congratulations. Let's go for another round of the donation coming from Marco Preto. Donation coming from Marco Preto, guys. Are you ready? 50,000. So we have one player that's going to be automatically qualified. Donovan. You will be automatically qualified, Donovan. At the request of Marco Preto. Alright guys, so listen up, listen up. We do the numbers out here. We do the numbers out here. Lucid flex 50,000 once again. Lucid flex 50,000 once again, guys. 2 numbers only. 2 numbers only. 2 numbers. 2 numbers. Watch out, everyone. 50,000 Lucid flex. 2 numbers only. A single number 2 and a 777. Start right now. Start right now. A single number 2 and a 777. Let me know your best choice. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let me know your best choice. Come on, guys. David Trader, you want to stop spamming. You want to stop spamming David Trader. A single number 2 and a 777. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. It's over. It's over. Shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Let's go. Do we all know where the paddle is going to stop? Oh, that could be the blue, guys. That could be the blue. That could have been... Oh. This is so rigged, guys. This is so scam, right? Oh. Stop right there. I'm playing tennis. Oh my gosh. That's incredible, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't believe this. Number 2 for the winners. But I think we got a ton. So rigged, guys. So rigged, but I think we got a ton. We got a ton. 58. For 1 minute, guys. You guys will compete. And we're going to do 2 rounds. Best of luck, everyone. What a scam, right? What a scam. So attention, please. Second ranked plus the last. Second ranked plus the last will qualify. Second ranked plus the last will qualify second round. Oh my gosh. Gamblers like to gamble. The thing is, gamblers do not have the buffer of the gambler. That's the only thing, 12AC. Come on. The buffer. Donovan has been added, yes. Donovan is on the list, yes. Prop engineer, look at that. Prop engineer. Why are you winning? Congratulations, prop engineer. But why are you winning? And what exactly? Domi, you qualify second round. Look at that. Anton, you were so close, Anton. I said the last one and the second one. Second one and the last one. Crazy. Crazy, guys. Second one, Domi. Did you fill up the form, Domi? Domi. Domi is here. Good job, Domi. And now, who's the last? Alex. Alex is the last. There you go. Congratulations, Alex. Congratulations out there. Oh my gosh. Let's go for the 2 out here. Domi and Alex. 30 seconds. Tell me, guys, who's winning? Tell me, who's winning, guys? Yeah, he was included. Oh my gosh. Donovan was added basically to the duck race. Donovan was added to the duck race. Second place and the last. Who's gonna run, guys? Come on. Let me discover that. You know who's gonna take? The winner. First ranked is gonna take. First ranked. First ranked is gonna take this. First ranked. Oh, Domi. Domi came out. Congratulations. Domi came out. Congratulations out there. 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex out there. Finally, an account donated by Marco Preto. Congratulations. What a lovely day, guys. That was very exciting. Look at that. Nasdaq is above 300. I told you we're going above 294, fellas. And that's what we touched. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, my gosh. Beautiful day, guys. A lot of fun out here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Domi, you certainly want to say thank you to Marco Preto. He donated the account. He won a Lucid Flex with us. But this is where we are. Reachers, you want to reach out to me on Discord. Beautiful day, beautiful times out here. Congratulations. See you tomorrow, fellas. Have a lovely day.